Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Miles and Mimi doing art. Miles and Mimi doing art. Miles and Mimi doing art.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came by way of a Meow Mall Nakama Noodles subscription box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo Charumera Aomori, which is a prefecture in Japan. Aomori stamina tare, that bottle there, that stamina sauce. Garlic Shio Yakisoba. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Alright, so this goes for 3 minutes. I'm just gonna throw it in the little pot there. Here is the noodles and the loose bits from the tray. And the 3 minutes. Alright. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm having a busy day. Push this down in here. But yeah, the trays for these have a little pour spout, so you can drain out the stuff yourself. But I'm in the kitchen, so instead of dealing with the tray or the pour spout and all that, I just use a strainer. What's going on today? It is the 24th day of September. I'm busy today, but other than that, not a lot. Oh, so my son's special needs, and once a year, his teacher, like at the beginning of the school year, will come by and do a home visit, and it's really nice. It's like she gets to learn more about, you know, what home is like. Last year I think he gave her a grand tour and all that. It's pretty cute. And yeah, so that's happening tonight. I got a bunch of crap I gotta do. Put away laundry, gotta get this all hammered out, gotta do an unboxing video. I'm trying to keep track of all the junk in my head. I usually just do a list of all my stuff, but I just didn't, so. But yeah. Yeah, I'm still like, what did I put out today? Review 4979. I mean, I'm on like that. I'm gonna come out with my review 5000 in like 3 weeks. It's already out. If you go to theramenraider.com and click on that little search thing and type in 5000, you'll get to see what it was. I'm really not sure still, this close to the deal, what it's gonna be. It was like I asked all these companies and they were really slow to reply, and it's like, dude, it's getting closer, it's getting closer. The final company is a Taiwanese company, and I'm like asking them, I'm like, okay, dude, I need this like yesterday. So if you're interested in this, that's great. But I need some kind of verification that you're going to send over something that I want to do for number 5000, like now. So if that doesn't work out, I got one today at the Dollar Tree. Just a really random, weird 4-pack for $1.25 of this mix something stuff. I don't know what it is. It's made in China. It's chicken flavor. Really basic, but I don't know. I really like stuff like that, so it might fit really well for doing a number 5000. I don't know. I don't know. So back to the one at hand. This is a Shio Yakisoba. And while they taste good. These are among my least favorite yakisobas to review. Why is that? Well, it's all going to depend on this right here. Generally, Shio yakisoba is going to look like, see that right there? I haven't added in anything to it. It's going to look like that, and it makes it harder to plate and look pretty. I want it to look pretty. And I want this spoon to get off my scissors. So here's our, good. It does have some darkness to it. So this is going to be like a, it should be a garlicky kind of thing going on here. Alright. Looks like there's a decent amount of cabbage going on here. I like that. But yeah, the Shio stuff ends up very fluffy. This looks rather fluffy. I don't know. But it should be garlicky as well. Alright. There we are. And here I go. Cheers. Okay. Try a bite with a little bit of cabbage. Yeah. I am really generally just when it comes to yakisoba, I like that classic yakisoba kind of flavor. Have you seen this plate before? If you have, you've looked at really old reviews, because I just went through all my plates and bowls and I found stuff to get rid of. I was going to get rid of this one, and I was like, don't get rid of that one. You can use it. We'll see how it goes. I don't know, though. This isn't looking all that promising as far as something to put on it. A lot of the time when I pick what plate or bowl to use, it's like I don't know until I slap the food into it, really, what I'm going to think about it. Okay, now we're going to add some chashu. Homemade chashu. And we'll torch it a little bit. Why not? Torch them. Torch them, torch them. And we're going to add an egg. Well, no, we're going to add some of this first. Now we'll add some egg. I'm kind of liking when I do it this way, so I'm going to do it this way. Okay. And when I took a bite of this stuff, the first thing I thought is, man, that really would go well with a little bit of sesame seeds, so just gonna get that treatment as well. A little more. And I wasn't gonna do this, but I think it begs it, because it is kind of dry. we're gonna do the old mayo trick. Big thanks to my lovely wife Kit for redoing the drawer that the plastic bags are stored in. Wow. That's a pretty cool. I like. There's some mayo in the bag. So this is the trick, okay? You put mayo and you put it in that side of the bag. And then on the other corner, kind of bite off the other end just a little bit. I think we're good. Let's see how this goes. Whoa, that went crazy. I think that's good. I gotta clean that up though. That's a little gooshy. Nothing wrong with a little bit of mayonnaise. Here it is. Let's rotato it up. I haven't used this plate in forever, and this doesn't look too bad. Cool. Alright, well that's it for me for today. There'll be another episode tomorrow. That's all I got to say about that. This has been Hans the Ramen Eater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.